Welcome to the Thicket Training video series. In this video, we're going to go over how we plant, stake, and tie big trees. There's going to be a lot of information in this video as each stage has its own process. So get comfortable and let's get into this. Measure your tree's distance off of the curb, ensuring you're hitting the same uniform number for each tree. Mark the spot for where the tree is going into the ground. Then using your large stock shovel, dig the area out. First, dig in a circle to get the correct width for the hole. Then dig down to get the correct depth. Use your shovel to measure the depth of the hole and compare it to the height of the tree to ensure the right depth. Before placing the tree in the ground, use your shovel to break up any hard ground on the bottom of the hole and scratch the bottom of the plant to free up the roots. This helps the tree's roots to spread whenever it's growing. When placing the tree in the hole, ensure that the base of the tree is pointing up straight and not on its side so the tree grows straight upwards. Measure the tree again so the trunk is the correct distance from the curb as per the client's specification. When you're happy with the position of the tree, backfill the hole to ensure the tree is evenly secured. Some clients like the top of the root ball exposed, and others like a thin layer of loose dirt on top. This should be confirmed with the client prior to planting. Then use your foot to press the dirt down to remove any air pockets in the hole. Lastly, with any excess dirt, create a berm around the base of the tree. The berm should be an even height and even spacing around the tree. This creates a well for water to be trapped into. This is so the tree has an easier time getting its required water intake. Now that your tree is planted, it's time to stake and tie it. Start by using your tape measure to measure the distance from the tree as per the client's specifications and mark the ground. Stakes should be in a straight line if you're using 2 stakes and in a triangle if you're using 3. For the examples shown, they will be in a triangle. While the stake is on the ground, lift the top end up, sliding the stake driver onto the stake and lift the stake up. Next, place your hands on the handles of the driver, lift the driver up and slam it down onto the stake. Use the weight of the driver and the weight of your body by bending your knees when bringing the driver down. This helps conserve energy and makes the task less impactful on your body. Secure the stake at least 400 mm into the ground. When you're confident the stake is adequately in the ground, do a wiggle test to see if it is secure. Ensure that all stakes are facing the same direction. Next, we move on to tying the tree to the stake. Ties should be done in a figure 8, approximately 70% up the height of the tree, although this should be confirmed by the client. Wrap the tie around the tree, then cross the tie over itself before wrapping it around the stake to create the figure 8. Ties should have 2 fingers of give, so the tree has some movement when secured to the stake. Staple the ends of the tie neatly to the stake before finally cutting the tie flush, not leaving any loose tie. Repeat this process a few inches below the first tie on each stake until the tree has been secured. And that's how you plant, stake and tie big trees. Every client has different specifications for how they like their trees, so confirm with your team lead on how they would like them done. Happy planting!